How to log out in UAE Pass. Now first, if it's going to be the very first instance that you log in into your UAE Pass account, you will be asked to either passwordless sign in, single mobile identity, or digital signature. Now, if you choose either of those options, there is going to be a small prompt that will tell you if you would like to keep your account signed in. If you choose on keep your account and sign in, you won't be able to log it out because the option will not be visible on the settings. Now, just head over directly into your UAE Pass profile and then choose on the profile option. And there you should be able to be redirected to choose on settings and logout option will be there. However, if not, your last resort is to choose on contact us and have a request that you would like your account to be logged out. And if that option is still not available, then what you want to do is just to simply reinstall the application into your Google Play Store, install it again, and update it to the latest version. So that's the most convenient way for you to log out in UAE Pass.